As I mentioned earlier, concentrators are placed in wiring closets to provide connectivity. These concentrators have replaced the old concept of running a single piece of cable throughout the building. Concentrators come in a wide variety of sizes, shapes, and support different protocols and speeds. The one thing that all concentrators have in common is that they are designed to interconnect users. Each PC has a wire that connects it to a wall jack. From the wall jack, the wiring extends to the wiring closet. At this point, the wiring can be configured in one of two ways. First, it can connect to a wiring panel, often called a patch panel, and then into the concentrator. Or it can connect directly into the concentrator. Both methods are acceptable. The concentrator's job is to connect all the local users, then interconnect them to other concentrators in IDFs or MDFs. Typically, concentrators support multiple connection speeds, so some users have slow speed links, say 10 megabits per second, and users that require faster access to the network at higher bandwidth, say 100 megabits per second. These different links are combined and then connected to other concentrators. It's not necessary to add up all the bandwidth of the ports coming in to figure out how much bandwidth the link between the concentrators needs. First, this would be impossible. Better, it's not required. It's important to remember that not everyone will be communicating at one time, so it's okay to oversubscribe the links. Oversubscription means a lot more users are connected to a link than it could handle at one time. This is similar to our telephone system. The phone system can support a lot of connections at one time. However, if everyone tried to make a call at the same time, it would never work. This is why sometimes when you try and make a call on Mother's Day or Thanksgiving, you get the message that all circuits are busy. The same goes for data networks. A good rule of thumb is to oversubscribe by a factor of 10 to 1. This means that if I have 10,000 megabits of bandwidth connecting into a concentrator from all the individual PCs, then it's okay to use a 1,000 megabit or 1 gigabit uplink out to the MDF.